G'day folks, and welcome back to Metalmania 3D in the Diecast Workshop. Well, this is the one we've been waiting for. This is our 100 subscriber giveaway. Just a bit of a thank you for all of our subscribers. We didn't think that we'd get up to 100, let alone over 100 so far, as we're having trouble with doing our video work and all that sort of stuff. But anyway, carrying along, this is what we've got. We've got some wheel kits, and it's just going to be the one winner. And the comments are going to be open for 2 weeks. Once the 2 weeks is up, we'll close the comments off. Now in the 2 weeks, you need to be subscribed to our channel. You need to like and share and them sorts of things, like everyone does. I'm an old fella, so I'm just not up to what everyone else does, but if you know what I mean, what I want you to do. And check out our videos and all that sort of stuff, of course. And of course, we're getting a lot more coming and a lot more getting together. We've been cleaning up the bench because I've been used to doing this before without video on it. Now I'm videoing it, so I've got to sort of make it a bit more easier. Anyway, carrying on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wheel kits to win. Now this is open to Australia as well as international, as long as we can post there. And it'll all be sent with tracked shipping, regardless of where you are. So that way we know you've got it and it'll get to your door. So just remember, you need to like, share and subscribe, and comment is another big thing on the video. Now with the wheel kits we've got the 5-star gold with the low profiles. You get that set as well. So that's it. There it is, just there on the turntable. I'll just zoom in. That'll be a lot easier than me trying to. Right. These are the wheel kits. This is the 4 of them. So you've got the 5-star with the low profiles, which is just here. And then you have the 5-star low profile and gold. Chrome gold. Probably said gold there before. And this is what we call the street and strip set. So those ones just there. As you can see, the difference in the height. Where can I go on to here? And you've got a treaded low profile tile on the front, and you have you're right if I learned how to balance it. As you can see, so you get the picture. Right, so you've got them there. So you've got what we call the street and strip set, just to show you what they look like on a vehicle. I did one of these in the videos and everyone liked it. And that was how the street and strip set turned out on that there. Did nothing else to it except for just do a wheel spot. And it looks pretty good. Now these are all made up. These ones here, they're all peened off. They're all made up. Might fit most. If you don't need them, you want them shorter, just cut them down and just crimp the end. On the end you need shorter. Okay, here's the other set that we've got that you're going to get as well. These are the monoblock Goodyear Eagles 8-spot. Nice wide set of tyres and a set of axles. These are wire axles, so you'll need to put them in, cut them to size, crimp the end. So you get that as well. We also give them a set of rod T5, our T5 rims with the Goodyear Eagle tyres, and these are treaded. They've got tread on them, as you can see. Now these are the rod axles. You would have seen me fitting a lot of these. You can fit these to a lot of cars without even drilling the base, this wheel kit. So you get that wheel kit as well. I'm knocking one down, but you'll get what I mean here. They're all going to take off now. We'll do that. Kill the one bird with the one stone. And then you got that set there. And then that's just 6 wheel kits. Then I say 6, pretty sure. 6 wheel kits. And then what we've done is if you've got a set of Toyo tyres here, treaded. Now these Toyo tyres there will fit your 5-stars and your golds and all that sort of stuff. They will fit the orange rims. You can swap them to the T5s as well down there. They will fit the orange rims with a little tiny bit of modification. They're just in the centre of the orange rim. It's got a bit of a higher band. Put it this way. When you put it on the 5-stars and you paint them, paint the centres of them, and there's the tyres on a 5-star, and that looks pretty cool. They look alright. So there you go. Alright, so there we go. This is the 100 subscriber giveaway. So what we need to do is we want to firstly thank everybody for supporting us and coming along for the ride. We're hoping we get a lot more join in. We're going to get our videos coming. I do promise you that. I am struggling with that, but we are getting on top of it. We've got a few other bits and pieces that we're doing. So all you need to do is like, share, subscribe. You need to be definitely subscribed. You need to leave a comment on the video. Tell us what's the best wheels or what you want to do with them if you win. Now, another important thing is if you win these wheels and it's not your thing, you do not do any wheel swapping or you do nothing like that at all. You just enjoy watching people making these videos and doing all of that. What you can do is then you can tell me that you want to gift them to someone else, and I will then send them to them instead of me sending them to you and then you sending them to someone else. And it'll all still have tracking as well. Just remember, as long as we can post there, we will also mark it for international as a gift coming from a person as opposed to coming from a business and saying it's products, trying to avoid them sort of issues. Probably shouldn't be saying this, but I'll tell you now anyway. Who cares? We all got to try and get somewhere today. This might brighten someone's day up. So you got 6 wheel kits and you got a set of tyres, and you can have a bit of fun and doing a few mods. So it's Australia and international. Everyone can enter. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and especially comment on the videos. So just looking forward to catching up with you. We want you all to stay safe, take care, and in the meantime, it'll be out for 2 weeks, like I'm saying, and we'll be shutting it down then. And like I'm saying, if you don't want them, we can gift them to someone else, up to your instructions. Take care, everyone, stay safe, and we'll talk to you again real soon.